Okay, so this wasn't originally going to be a video, but Carson wanted it to be. So this is for you, bud. So I'm not sure if you knew this, but I like golf. Behind me is clothing from that brand. Actually, those are two of my grails. They're in the background of the videos every single time. Why? Because I just like to look at them. Don't question me. But yeah, I got something really cool. Pretty much everyone I contacted on Discord knows about these, but you guys don't. And Carson wanted a video over these, so we're doing that. So I've been eyeing these pairs of shoes for a year now, and finally got them at a really good price. Actually, they sells for like $300 to $500, like brand new. I got my pair for like $70. So I mean, that's a win right there. A lot of you might know what shoe I'm talking about, or a lot of you might not. I'm gonna just jog your memory real quick. Back in a year ago, this is what my avatar used to look like. No further introduction. So here they are. Bam. I still can't really believe it, but yeah, I got these babies. They yeah, they're beautiful, man. I mean, to me at least. You don't have to like them. Yeah, I got these. These were just like something I've been eyeing for a year. These were like a personal grail of mine. I didn't think I'd actually ever get to own these. Look how that time changed. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the shoe right now. This is a Vans Syndicate. It's from 2014 when they did a drop, specifically Tyler. And I know I'm getting comments like, listens to Tyler the Creator once. Well, shut up. So we're gonna do a little review on them, and I'm gonna go rating by 3 factors. 1, comfortability. 2, the way they look. 3, the overall, you know, quality and everything. I think I'm gonna add a 4th factor. I'll let you know when I'm editing this. I hit my mic stand. First, let's start with quality. The quality of the shoe is actually really nice. It's really what you expect from a shoe nowadays, but this is a really nice quality. It's a nice suede material. Actually, because of that, I have a little suede cleaner. But yeah, I think that's really cool. Cool stitching. It says golf on the back, on one of them. On the back, it's the right. To put them together, golf Wang. On the inside, there's an insole and everything. Custom print. Really cool. Very, very nice detail, honestly. It was mostly used on the shoe, but there's actually a shirt all over cat print shirt. I want to get my hands on that. That was a really cool shirt. Same deal with the other shoe. Bang. See? Same. Cool. And then over here on the tongue, you have the Kill Cat logo and everything. Just a cat, yeah. Just says Syndicate on it. Sole itself's pretty good. It's pink sole instead of a normal white sole. This is why these are known, because of the pink sole. If these were just white or a gum sole, it would not be as popular as it is, because you did not see a shoe like this back then. You might have seen it in 2013 with the first Golf Wang drop, but you would not have seen this until a year later. This is honestly one of my favorite shoes of all time, honestly. Bottom of the shoe, the Vans waffle thing that they do. Yeah, and then the Vans Syndicate right there. Next, we're going to try looks. I don't really think anything needs to be said about this part. The looks are out there. It is a very, very loud shoe. Here's the thing. This is a very nice looking shoe. You are definitely going to be getting looks at if you wear this. Trust me, I would tell you from now. I walked around my school wearing these, and I got stares the whole day. I don't know if they were good or bad stares, but whatever. Good shoe. You're going to get looks at it. Very loud shoe, but you can make it work if you know what to do. Cool. And now we're going to bring it to the 4th one after the on-foot part. Okay, for this part, I want you to completely ignore my terrible B-roll footage shotting. I only had one hand for this, and it was a bit hard to get shots on the shoe. Overall, though, the comfortability is great. This is a very, very wearable shoe if you just want comfort. This is so comfortable, it's not even joking. This feels a lot like my Hey Dude shoes, and if anyone has owned a pair of Dudes, you know how comfortable those are. Maybe just a little bit up. Compared to Vans old schools, where there's like no comfort, this is really a step up. Too bad it's from 2014. The 4th one I'm going to say is, how wearable is it? It is a very wearable shoe if you know how to do it. Don't want to like ever just get a pair of a green shirt and then some like other colored shorts. That won't work. The best way that this would work is black shorts, blue, white shirt, maybe like in the middle or something, and you were wearing these. Or you could do what I do. Wear black jeans. You could wear a black shirt for this too, but the shoes would be the main attraction of your outfit then. And then one final thing to mention, back to the first part. This is a very nice pair of Vans. I own a pair of Vans. The oil slick ones. They aren't that comfortable. They're off the walls, but these are Syndicates. For your comfort, instead of literally nothing, you actually get a nice amount of comfort in that. These are so comfortable, I'm not even joking. I wore these all day with like no problems. But yeah, overall, great shoe. If you can find a price and you actually are like simping over this shoe, which I highly doubt you are, I highly recommend getting it if you can, because Yes. It's just a grill. You're never gonna see these things again. You're just not. But yeah, that's all I got for you. Roblox VidVench. Bye.